everyone, good morning. This is Anju. So this is Arui with me saying hi. Say once again.
Hi.
Okay, so today we are going to do Schezwan sauce using the Pocket Money series. Okay, Shona, put this oil 2 tablespoons. Okay, पूर्ण भरून पाहिजे. Okay, so we are using a tablespoon here. So this is 2 tablespoon measurement. So we have taken 4 tablespoon of oil, that is 1/4 cup of oil. Shona, put, then we are going to add 5 garlic cloves. Put garlic cloves. Okay, and add this green chilies. Green chilies, huh? Oh, sorry, red chilies. Add red chilies. उल्टा कर, नहीं उल्टा कर, सगा उल्टा कर, डायरेक्ट कर. Okay, so these are 20 soaked dry red chilies, and we will just close this and cook this on high for 3 whistles or 5 minutes. Okay, wait. Shana, one sec. Wait Raja, हाँ start कर. Okay, wait Shona. Okay, now in our mixie blender we will start adding the ingredients. So in this we will add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. This is our 2 tablespoon. Shona, याच्यामध्ये 2 tablespoon घाल tomato sauce. So this is my 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Should I add this to the blender? Okay. Then 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. I hope it's visible. Yeah. So then we will be adding 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. So this is salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Wait. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Put it over here. Okay. So we have put everything into the mixie blender. So once we get 3 whistles, so we have got our first whistle. The second whistle. The third whistle. So I'll switch it off. So within 3 minutes we have got our 3 whistles. We will release the pressure. So now आपण काय बनवतो? चटणी, शेजवान चटणी. Okay? So as you can see, we have put everything together. So now in our blender jar, we'll be adding this along with the oil and blend everything together. As you can see, my base is clear, and till it just cools for a minute, I will just show you the recipe card. Okay, so in Schezwan sauce, I have soaked 20 dry red chilies in water for around an hour, and then in my magic pot, I've added 1/4 cup of oil, soaked chilies, 5 whole garlic cloves, and we have closed and cooked this on high for 3 whistles or 3 minutes. We have released pressure, and we are going to blend all this with 2 tablespoons each of Kashmiri red chili powder, tomato sauce or ketchup, 1 teaspoon each of salt, sugar, soya sauce, and vinegar. Okay, you can replace sesame oil with any oil. Okay, so I think this is cooled down a bit, so I'll just immediately grind this and get it. Okay, so I'll remove this and we'll check our output. Where's the weighing scale? Yeah, so this is our Schezwan chutney that we have just got. I think you can add some more oil if required. हाथ लाऊंगा तो हल्का बच्चा. So here it is. We are done with our chutney. I'm sure this is not 250 grams because we have just taken 20 red chilies. We can still weigh the output. Wait, Shona. Wait, Raja. Wait. Shona, 1 second. Yeah. This is around 176 grams of output because we have just taken 20 red chilies. But yes, the color is lovely, and I will surely reply once we taste it. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now. Say bye, bacha.
Bye.